Hi, my name is Heather Slusser with the University of Wisconsin Marathon County Extension Office. Today we are going to discuss our second part in a four-part series on bull health and fertility. Today's topic is sperm production. Within the testis, there are three main cell types: the Leydig cells, Sertoli cells, and germ cells. Leydig cells are responsible for producing testosterone. Sertoli cells are what is known as the governors of spermatogenesis and are critical for sperm production. The Sertoli cells nurture the germ cells and help progress them to mature sperm. Germ cells are the reproductive cells. They're the cells that become the sperm. The sperm production occurs in different waves or in different cycles. This graph here is showing the different generations of cells. Each generation takes about 13.5 days to complete, while it takes 61 days to complete the entire round of spermatogenesis. What this means is that there is a 2 to 4 week delay before the effects of deleterious events such as heat stress, shipping fever, or exposure to certain toxins can be observed by monitoring changes in the ejaculate characteristics. Also, once the effects are seen, it will take 6 to 12 weeks before normal spermatogenesis is completed again. Sperm are produced on a constant and uniform basis throughout their lifespan. The size of the testis is also an indication of the amount of spermatozoa or the amount of sperm being produced within the testis. Scrotal circumference has medium to high heritability, which means that we can select for males that have increased or larger scrotal circumference. Scrotal circumference of the bull is also positively related to the fertility of his daughters. So a heifer from sires with larger than average scrotal circumference will tend to reach puberty earlier than those from bulls with smaller scrotal circumference. We also see a positive correlation between animals with larger scrotal circumference size and daughters' age at first breeding. Their pregnancy rate and days to rebreeding after calving is also sooner if the sire has had a larger scrotal circumference. The graph shown on this slide indicates the minimum recommended scrotal circumference size for bulls of different breeds and at different ages. Sperm production begins in the testis. Mature sperm is then shipped from the testis into the head of the epididymis. The sperm then goes through the epididymis to complete maturation and final storage into the tail of the epididymis. When ejaculation begins, sperm leaves the tail of the epididymis through the pelvic urethra and is joined by seminal fluid that is created by the accessory sex glands. The accessory sex gland fluid, or the seminal fluid, and the sperm is released through the penis into the female. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you learned something.